So here I built a new PC out of old parts. Got a Lenovo M720Q. It was playing fine, but it just wasn't that great for PC games due to the processor. So I picked up this Dell Vostro 3910 off eBay for £80. It was apparently having powering on issues, which I then later found out it is having much more issues than that. It was having issues with the motherboard. For some reason, when powering on all cores, the PC would just shut down, but when it's a one core, it would work fine. Changed the PSUs, did an SFX, then a Dell, and it didn't work. So I opted for a new motherboard and tried it that way, and we were working 200 FPS on an RTX 3050. So after changing all that, adding extra fans and a new case with some vinyl wrap on the front to get that wood effect, it then come out alright. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was like £247 altogether for new parts. That's minus the GPU, but now it plays everything at 1080p, 60 FPS minimum. As you can see, over 200 FPS, but yeah, it's come out really well.